Good morning. It's Monday, March the 7th, and this is the last week before spring break. Now, I have organized the course so that you really shouldn't have too much to do over spring break. Of course, if you have pushed some things back or decided that you want to work over spring break, that's great. No problem there. But you don't have anything to do over spring break. And if you've started on your research paper, then you shouldn't have to work too much on it. But coming up before spring break, this Thursday, which is March the 10th, you're going to have your second quiz of the semester. Again, it's worth 50 points, but this time instead of 25 questions worth 2 points apiece, there'll be 50 questions worth 1 point apiece. And it will cover everything from week 5 until the end of week 8. All the short stories listed, as well as the elements of formalism and the types of literary criticism. So this is a good time to go back over and look over the notes you've been taking as we cover each story, and of course review those handouts on the vocabulary words. It'll open, of course, at 8 o'clock on Thursday. It will close at 11:55 p.m. We will be using Proctorio again, and of course, you shouldn't have anybody in the room. You certainly shouldn't have anybody sitting next to you. You shouldn't be talking to anyone during the quiz. Just get in there and take it. It won't take very long. And to be honest, I'm not going to ask you to use the little mirror to scan the room this time. If there's some more problems, we may. But at this point, I'm just going to ask you to show your ID again, and it'll record everything else, and I'll get reports on that. Okay, multiple choice questions, A, B, C, D, E. Remember that you're looking not for the first right answer, but for the best answer. So read all the answers and pick the best one. I want you guys to do well. So take your time, do a good job. Let me know if you have any questions before the test. And good luck.